Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, it's a beautiful day, and today I decided to actually boil the sorrel and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after it has been the seeds have been removed. Now this is a really delicious drink, so mainly around Christmas time, but during the January season, January time, it depends on when you plant it. There is still an abundance of sorrel. As I said yesterday, sorrel comes from the hibiscus family and it originated from West Africa. It is known as Roselle, I believe that's the pronunciation, in Africa, West Africa, and it was brought to the Caribbean. A lot of Caribbean islands use this around the Christmas season to celebrate with family and friends. Either you make it into a rum punch, etc. So it is very delicious. It doesn't have an artificial flavor. It's really natural and really good. It tastes really good and it's better than most artificial drinks. So today, what you do most times, you always add more water than the soil, so the soil has to be covered with the water. I cannot give correct measurements, but that's what you do. You usually put a little more, you put more water than the amount of soil. It's really rich and you have to add water to it. Look at the color. It's really rich, it's really delicious, and this goes well with your lunch, whatever food or dishes that you have. It's really delicious. um okay, so over here now I made some. Look at that. And my sister put, well, my sister helped along and she put a little clove and so to enrich the flavor, a little cinnamon, etc. Most times in the Caribbean, I don't use, for me personally, I don't use white sugar in this. I use the brown sugar. It gives it a richer consistency, and the flavor is a little more better with the brown sugar. It depends on what you prefer, if it's white or brown. It's really delicious with the brown sugar, with a little cinnamon, the spices, etc. It really tastes well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed looking at my beautiful sorrel drink. It's better than the artificial drinks, the drinks that you buy in the store. This is what the Caribbean is. The Caribbean is using natural things to create beautiful drinks, beautiful food, etc. And in the Caribbean we have a variety of fruits and vegetables that we can use either in drinks or we can use to prepare food. This is really good, and my sister plant this around maybe September or somewhere late August, somewhere there, and we got it late December into January. So we still have an abundance of it on the tree, and it's a really rich. Look at that color. Where can you get that? That color is not artificial. I did not put any food coloring or anything in it. That's the best that you can get with your lunch on a Sunday. It's the best and it's healthy. Some of the health properties of it is it's really good for the blood. As you see the color, it's really good for the blood. Yes. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. And in here, you don't really need to have a correct measurements for anything for this recipe, because here I made an individual serving, and you use ingredients based on your preference with drinks. If you want it a little less sweet, more sweet, it depends on you, the individual. It's not like you're baking or anything. This is just a drink, and it depends on what you prefer. So in here I use brown sugar to make it, no white sugar, and I use the amount of sugar that I use, like